The success of democracy in any country depends to a great extent on the agenda put before Parliament. I believe that what happens in Parliament has a great effect on people, although it may not be possible to see the same immediately. I think you will agree with me that any issue which figures prominently in Parliament for a long period of time leaves a lasting impression in public mind. It is therefore necessary that the business chosen for Parliament's consideration and its handling are important. There can be no doubt that parliamentary proceedings serve as education to the people. If it could be possible for the ruling party to raise above party angle, this great institution inspires the nation primarily by its positive approach with total commitment to nation's progress. From this point of view, there is great need for prior discussions amongst leaders of various political parties. Such discussions help in making Parliament more and more effective and meaningful to the people. Para, I believe that in countries where modern democracy is just taking root, the usefulness of Parliament needs to the demonstrated and impressed upon the people with greater clarity and deeper conviction. I am inclined to think that no country can afford to lose heart for the drawbacks and deficiencies of the system. With these words, I have great pleasure in inaugurating this seminar. Dear sirs, para, we are in receipt of your letter dated 15th instant, and thank you very much for sending us your latest catalog and price list. Since your terms and conditions are encouraging, we would like to place the order for supply of some of the latest foreign editions of textbooks to meet the special needs of students of business management and administration, computer science, leather technology, and medicine. Since admissions for medicine and engineering courses have just been completed in this state, there is very heavy demand and we need stocks immediately. We enclose herewith a detailed statement of our immediate requirement of goods and request you to dispatch them by return of post so as to enable us to make good business. We hope you will appreciate the need to stick to time schedules in improving business relations. We enclose herewith a bank draft for rupees 1 lakh towards advance and assure payment of the balance amount within 10 days from the date of receipt of the goods at this end, soliciting your prompt action in dispatching the books in time and assuring you of our cooperation at all times. Yours truly, Senior Marketing Manager,